Windshield Wiper Replacement. In your Isuzu MU-X, the wiper blades are hidden below the bonnet to improve the aerodynamics and the overall look of your vehicle. Although the wiper blades are hidden, there is a simple way to service or replace them. To replace the wiper blades, you need to put them into the service position. This is done by turning off your MU-X, then within 1 minute, pulling the window wiper stick towards you until the wiper blade moves up and stays in the service mode. To remove the wiper blades, raise the arms off the windshield. Press the wiper blade's lock button and slide the blade up and out of the arm. To install the wiper blades, slide downwards into the notch until you hear a click. Make sure to return the wiper blade back to the windshield to prevent possible damage. The wiper blade will return to its normal position when the car is turned back on and moved forward, or when the wiper lever is pushed up. Thank you for watching, and be sure to go your own way in the Isuzu MU-X.